Hi guys, so I'll be helping us go through how to participate in the Foundry DAO crowd sale. So the first thing you can do is go to sale.foundrydao.com, and then you're going to be met with this page. The first thing we need to be able to participate in the sale, before I get into the details of how everything works, is the MetaMask extension. You should see an error at the bottom if you don't have it that says no Web3 provider was detected. Is MetaMask or some other Web3 provider installed and unlocked? So the first thing we need to do is install MetaMask. Go to metamask.io. We click download. That should take you to a page that instructs you how to install that for your specific browser. This takes me to the Chrome Web Store, and I click Add to Chrome. Then I say Add Extension. While that downloads in the back, MetaMask is basically a tool that allows us to interact with dApps on the Ethereum network. Get started, and I can either restore a previous seed phrase, or I can create a new wallet, which is what I'll be doing now. Just going to say no thanks to that offer at the moment. Just going to put in a rudimentary password. You might want to put in something secure that you're not going to forget here. This is only going to be stored locally. To create that, and now this step is critical as well. This is your secret backup phrase. Now, you should never ever show this backup phrase to anyone, because this is just a test account. I'll show it here. But basically, you need to copy that down onto a piece of paper. You need to click next, and then you need to fill in the same seed phrase in the right order, given these words at the bottom. Now, however, like I said, because this is just a test one, we are going to skip this, but it is absolutely critical that you store this seed phrase so that you can claim your fry under all circumstances. I'm going to say remind me later. Okay, so this brings us up to the MetaMask extension interface page. So we'll see here that we have 0 Ether. So Ether is the currency that you need to be able to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. And we're also going to need, if we go to Foundry sale, we're also going to need DAI, which is a stable coin that's always worth $1, because that is what the sale accepts. So if we go to MetaMask again, under tokens, I'm just going to say add DAI. This just lists DAI. This doesn't actually give you DAI. Say next and add tokens, and then you should see this. You should see ETH0 and 0 DAI. All right, so now we have MetaMask installed. If we go back to the Foundry cell and we refresh the page, now you will see that the error at the bottom is gone. Click at the top of your extensions. I'm just going to pin MetaMask to the top there. It might already be pinned on your computer. And then we'll see the little fox at the top there. So now this allows us to actually interact with this.